Hey, I'm Fish. Let me not delete off my card again. This is like the third time. So let's get biking. Lately, I've seen a lot of videos. I'm starting to see other videos come about. The Extra Muse 2 Pro, that is. Might as well skip over the Extra Muse 2. Nobody really wants that at this moment, because the Insta360 Lunar Ultra and the DJI Pocket 4, well, they're trying to get that Pocket 4 Pro out as well. And that may hurt the Pocket 4. And that could be a good reason why Insta360 put a hold on the Luna. Each day, I still think about getting an Insta360 Luna Ultra. I want a white one, if I really want to get one. I just had to put the brakes on to get a shot, like so. I'm waiting for more information while the live that was out for the 360 Luna Ultra showed the Ace Pro 3. And that is something I would love to update my Ace Pro 2, that is. The set price for, the Insta360 is $769. That's quite a steep price. You get a number of things with it. But that's the choice you got to make, because you're probably going to go for the top-end model that gives you the 360 mic Pro. That sounds awesome, what you hear right now. The last vlog that I made that's coming out is going to have, with a lot of wind, and this bad boy right now, noise canceling's off. The sun just rose. It's getting up there, and it's going to be the golden hour. Maybe that's the time you should get your camera out. I wanted to say before I hit the brakes, man, DJI is going after Insta, and now Insta retaliated, and they're going after DJI. Well, what about Extra? Are they going to start to get into the game as well? Have a 3-round lawsuit? I tell you what we're going to do. We're going to have a class action lawsuit. We're just going to sue all of them and just have the fun and say, hey, might as well just give us our camera. We don't have to pay for anything if you guys are going to keep on fighting. Can we all just be friends? There we go. The wind just kicked in. And that is what I want to show you then, trying to be the king of them all. So the sun is coming up. And let everybody do what they have to do. This is what the Fish is doing. The Fish is doing just mighty fine. If I go with the Luna Ultra, Ace Pro 2, and the X5, I got everything that I need in a family. I have another family which is extra, and that is the Muse, and that is the Sva, and that is the Addo. I don't know how we come up with all these names. Well, extra goes to the Greek side of things. And yeah, we have Insta360 now going as the universe thing, being the ultimate. What is DJI going by? Micro things or electronic things? I don't know what they're going by. Well, I figure I'd turn my back to the wind and everything and just head on out and go that way. Get down to the beach and just enjoy my highlight of the talk. So we're gonna head on in and go see you at the beach, the shore, the end of the cement. The water looks like. We got a cruise ship coming in. And it's not a big ship either. Probably another celebrity or royal. Let's get on going. You could always go online and you can get the information of what ships come in, but you're not going to know exactly the time they roll in to port. Now this is an awesome picture of a 8-foot fishing rod and a kid trying to pull in seaweed. A lot of skates are out here, and let's turn the camera around and get the shot for you. To 2x zoom, and you can see the color change. Beautiful shot of the pole being pulled. I guess throwing the line or walking, which one was more important? And see the difference in the shots, right? Okay, so what's he got online? Why is he tugging? We could keep the camera on him. More or less what happens to this camera is when you have a filter on that goes back to the natural colors. The kid went down to go pick up the thing. So we're gonna go ride by. A nice sized sand shark. That was like 3 feet. The kid's gonna have fun, man. All right, so it's a beautiful day with the wind. Let's get on out of here. We did our highlighted talk, had the fun, gave you a little show. Yeah, a little action. Nobody loves action. I know I'm comfortable holding a camera that doesn't wobble in my hands on a mount. And that is the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. And if I hold like the extra muse, it wobbles in its cradle. And yeah, man, that's the only thing that may start to bother me again. I talk things out. So this way, hey, maybe I'll get an answer from myself. So let's get on out of here, get on going, and finish up my vlog. Well, this is where I say, it's been a pleasure. It's, well, hey, my golden hour, it's gone. Well, it's been a pleasure. And on that note, I'll see you all on the next one.